What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just doing a little quick modification. So you know my truck is black stealth PPF, and I do have the gloss black TRX sticker. So today we're going to be changing these badges right here. This red just doesn't fit the theme of the truck, so I decided to, there's someone on Instagram that makes badges for the TRX, and I ended up ordering these, which came out really nice. So it has a 6.2 liter supercharged. This one is a matte black with a gloss black, and I feel like that would fit the whole scheme of my build right there. Build, or just the way I style it, I don't know. But I like the whole blacked out look, so I think these would be a nice compliment. So I have some stuff here to take off some badges. As you guys know, when I did the PPF, I have no badges on the truck at all. I did end up buying these T-Rex badges, but I actually don't like them at all. And then I ended up buying these also, which are these Hellcat badges from the Hellcat Durango. And I bought one for each side. I was thinking about putting them on the side or maybe one in the back, but I don't know. I kind of like the whole D-badge look, so I don't think I'm going to put these on now. But definitely leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys think I should throw the Hellcat badge on there, or if I should just keep it completely D-badged on the sides and on the back. But here's everything I'm pretty much going to need. I have a hairdryer, so I mean, it's really hot out right now. It's probably like, I don't know, it's got to be 80-something degrees. I'm already sweating. I've been out here for like 5 minutes, but I have some painter's tape, which I'm going to put where the logo is now. I mean, where the badge is now. That way I can kind of know where the placement is exactly. I have a hairdryer, so I can kind of heat up the badge, and then I have some fishing line, so that way I can kind of take it off. Over here, I bought this on Amazon for like $5. It's called Goo Gone. It takes off goo and sticker removal, because I'm sure there's going to be some residue after I take that off. And then just some soapy water. It's just some Dawn and some water mixed up, and I'll just spray it a little bit to kind of wipe it off a little bit. And then yeah, then I have this fishing line, which I'm going to use to take off the badge. And to be honest, this is the first time I'm actually doing this, so hopefully I don't mess it up too bad. But yeah, let me get started. Alright, so as you guys can see, I use the painter's tape to kind of go around it. That way I know exactly where the badge should be sitting. So that's my little job right there. Now I'm going to get the blow dryer, put some heat on it, warm it up a little bit, try to get that adhesive soft. That way it'll be easier to take off. I'm trying to film this the best I can. Unfortunately, you know, I'm by myself. But so this badge ended up coming off right here, supercharged, and then just kind of got to get the fishing line. And once you get it behind there, it's like this. Now you can see all this sticky stuff here, which I'm going to try to just peel off like this, and then I'll use the Goo Gone to get rid of everything else. Oh man, it's hot out today. I feel like every time I do something on this truck, it's just scorching hot out. hoping I have no issues with this 3M tape just sticking on here. I don't think I will, but I don't know how it's gonna be after washes and stuff like that. All right, so the glue gun did work miracles. It takes a couple of minutes before it starts working, but there you go. Now you can kind of see it. All the glue's gone. I used some soapy water to just kind of clean it all off, and then now we have it lined up where we know exactly where the badge is supposed to go. So now I'm just gonna take the backing off this, and then we're gonna put it on, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Fortunately, I got a little bit of the tape caught over here on the top. So actually, I don't know if you really need the tape, maybe just on the sides. But so that's what it looks like now. So now you see the black truck, it's a little dirty. TRX badge, and then now you see the new badge, which I think looks so much better. I don't have that red on there, like this one. So now I'm gonna do the other side. This side I'll try to show you a little more of. Let me see if I can kind of station the camera a little bit. All right, I'm gonna heat this up again. So I put a little less tape this time since the tape got caught on the other one. I don't think it needs to be exact, because you do kind of see like an imprint once you take this out. Basically, you just take the fishing wire and just easiest way is to just kind of plug it into this end over here and then just kind of like, you know, shimmy back and forth until you get all the way down. Oh, look what I'm doing. Oh, just wish the TRX would fit in this garage. I would have made room for it. All right, so after taking off the badge, this one didn't leave that much residue, just a little bit on the end. It's actually starting to hurt my thumb. I'm starting to get blisters and stuff. But just gonna use a little bit of the glue gun, take the rest of that off, and then we should be all set. All right, finally got the other side off. So this glue gun shit really works. Now you can see there's no goo left. It took everything off, all the residue. It takes a couple of minutes to kick in, and then I just use the microfiber to kind of get the rest off. All right, so I got the 3M tape off, but as you can see, there's like, it shows you kind of where it's supposed to be. So that's where I'm gonna be installing it. Fortunately, I need both my hands right now. So I put it right on where it's supposed to be, and there you go. So that's how it looks now. Got rid of the red, now it's just some more gloss black. And I feel like that just looks so much better on the truck. So you can see the truck, dirty, filthy, my sweat. And see the mat. And then there you go. It's just subtle, and I like that. So this glue gun definitely worth it if you're going to take off decals. All right, guys. So that's pretty much going to do it. So like I said, I mean, I bought these Hellcat badges. I bought these, and I was thinking about putting them on the side. But let me know what you guys think. I don't think I'm going to do it. But I was thinking, like, I don't know, maybe somewhere over here like that, or maybe just one on the trunk, kind of like this, but like maybe one over here. I don't know, I think I just like it all debadged. I think that's the way I should keep it, and just keep the badges on the front, and then you see the TRX, and then you see it on the side. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I am exhausted just from being in the sun for this long and doing all this. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. And I'm definitely gonna try to do another video this week. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.